my overall thoughts about the various videos and commercials we saw. I think some of them were a little bit extra and silly, but I think that's how they get people's attention, is that if you see something silly and ridiculous, you're gonna want to watch it again and make you laugh and whatever. So I think they kind of like exaggerate alcohol and drug commercials, like cigarette commercials too, to get that audience to watch them and maybe rewatch them to see what they're about. So I think that's one of the tactics that they use. Um, and then when it comes to targeting young children and the youth, in order to build their clientele, I think this really goes into like features, like the features of the businesses, as the younger generations are going to be the next ones and the next ones and the next ones buying these products from these companies. And if they're not getting their word out and getting children in it now, then they might not in the future. Kind of like, oh, it's too late to kind of get that information out here. So when they are targeting young children and like using characters and different things to get children hooked on it, that's really helping them not only like get their knowledge out, but also build and keep their business going in the future. And then how will knowing this information make me more aware? I think it just goes back to being eye open, like opening your eyes and seeing what things are being released to children. When you, like, as a parent, when you see those commercials come on, you can like have a talk about them and be like, okay, well, just because they used a character that you might know for this commercial doesn't mean it's okay for you. And like tell them the rules and the laws and like how you feel on it and those type of things to get that out. So those are my overall reactions to the advertisements that we watched.